Let's start off this beautiful morning. She's ready. The only thing I don't like is the windshield way, but she's gonna have to do for now. I guess for today we're gonna have to rock the windshield because of the. It's gonna be cold. I'll just go on this one. You guys can take my Canam. I'll take this bitch. Fugas. It's just fucking nice, huh? All I'm saying is, can I wash mine?
They wash
You know? Like, una pinche lavadita. I'm gonna tell him right now.
What up, big dog, Randy?
Look at him.
You moving or what?
Hey, you couldn't have washed mine?
Bro, we just started washing them.
Damn. I'm gonna go get. I'm gonna go all dirty to get it dirty.
Yeah.
Why is this one always clean?
Good. Gotta have it clean.
Where's yours?
It's inside still.
You're not taking it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're actually going.
Yeah. Just waiting for you. Finally pick up the car. 10:10, bro. Barely picking it up right now. I'll be there at 9 with breakfast.
I let you know. What's for breakfast around here? If I'm hungry. Do they DoorDash over here, or they don't believe in that?
No, the burrito machine is open right here.
Those burritos? You ain't got like an IHOP on this side of town?
Damn, I have fucking big dog.
A Cracker Barrel or something?
We're in the little bit more poor area.
You ain't got no Cracker Barrel?
Valley, big guy. Chill out.
No? You guys don't believe in
We
Den?
just ate Cracker Barrel yesterday.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, right there in Eastlake.
Damn. You caught me a baller.
Yeah, my boys over here doing it big, bro.
I'm doing it big. Look at this. Hey, that's your brother's?
Yeah.
You guys got wheels on it or what?
I'll go racing.
Dude, that shit looks fucking wide.
Wipe it down.
Is that shit even gonna fit in the trails? Damn. Everybody's on these upgraded machines and you ain't?
Oh, good. At least we got one, right?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I'm going in the quad.
I thought you were taking the 2-seater.
¿Te me la suelta?
But what kind of friend is that? You better tell him, man.
That bad boy is just a trophy. It just sits pretty there. Hey,
That's messed up, huh?
Hey.
Go ahead and use it.
I saw a video of you
Where?
stripping.
Aye, aye.
Yeah. I was scrolling through TikTok way and I was like, what the fuck? That looks familiar. And it was you way.
Yeah?
Yeah. I know you remember which one.
When I get out of here,
Yeah.
my bad.
You get extra money somehow.
Hey, in all seriousness, what time are you guys trying to be over there?
I should be leaving like at 12 already loaded.
Alright, so we'll see you over there at 2.
At 3.
Ya casi está acabando la pinche ruta,
I
güey.
don't know, but we're waiting right here, my boy. We're waiting for my boy.
I'm watching. Look,
Now we're recording.
Joe's. Oh,
Bear. Right there.
where's Bear?
Barry's not here today.
Oh, the dad bring a sweater. What's up? How are you, brother?
¿Todo bien?
Yeah?
All right.
Already eating breakfast?
Yeah, it's his day off today. Came to help us out real quick.
Damn. Look, I bet you're gonna wash that one, huh?
Yeah, it's dirty, bro.
So then don't give me shit.
Dude,
I'm barely getting
Look
here.
at it. Look at this one and look at yours. You tell me. Which one's a little bit more cleaner?
All right, which one needs more? Damn, that one needs a wash. Wait.
Yeah, that one not yours.
It's all pretty and it's all dirty. Chinga madre, güey. Oh, my shit white.
Yeah, paper, baby. Everything.
I'm gonna do the opposite. I'm gonna do purple and white.
Yeah.
I already got half my shit white anyways, man. Oh, that truck right there. Hey, take a wild guess. Which Canam you think is his? the one that matches? The one that looks like a truck? Black and red. Damn. Yeah.
No, not yet. That's too early.
Come on.
A little later. Come on, Randy.
With it, that's for another video. This is a before.
No, Randy, don't put me right now.
Randy.
Dance.
Look at, record that better.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Don't put me please on this one. No, I'm not ready. Right now you can record me all you want over there.
All right, hey, he's gonna be the front of the video. All right, peepers. Well, I guess we should load it, but this bad boy's right here. Well, I guess we're gonna test it before we take it, porque si suena para la verga, güey. I'm not paying. So last time we dropped it off because there was a bunch of shit wrong. There's a bunch of things wrong with my thing. The cage was loose. It didn't have this panel on. My speaker was torn, or not torn, but the wire was broken. Bolts were loose. I guess they're tight now. And then I was missing hardware back here, but these were off. My towers were off. Long story short, everything is on, and well, the cage is on too. So let's turn it on and see how the speakers sound. Because the last time this car was sounding like it had Food King audio system. And so supposedly they fixed my speaker. Oh damn, I didn't take that shit off.
What?
The grill right there.
You heard your system?
Nah, I'm about to.
So take it off right now, your house.
Yeah, it's just a pain in the ass to take them off. But if I don't take it off, it's gonna look janky, huh?
Yeah.
Have you heard your system?
No, not yet. Sounds better?
How's it sound, Savvy? Sounds like mine.
Ah, it's not gonna sound like yours. Yeah.
Sit on yours, sit on mine, and sit on yours, and yours is louder.
Nah.
Mine, the back's louder. That tiny tube.
Damn. That's what happens when you're in the lower valley where everybody's just thumping out here.
If it's not,
But,
if it's not as loud as him, it's free. Just kidding.
Well, I already paid for the audio system a long time ago.
Damn.
I never got it installed correctly because according to them, I did it myself. But it was installed correctly. I just never tuned it.
Yeah.
So now that it's here at the Amigo shop, well, they fixed my speaker that I ripped the wire off, and then they mounted the towers, they mounted the cage properly, they mounted my reservoirs, and most importantly, they tuned the audio system. So according to Joe, Jimmy, and everybody else around here, they say this thing is loud. So we're about to see, but I don't think we can record it because the copyrights. Unless we put like some Dora the Explorer non-copyright music.
Carson!
Who's Carson?
Hi, son.
Oh,
Over there, baby.
are you taking him to the Ruta?
Nah.
No? Damn, that is a big ass endling. I never noticed how big the endlings on the razors were. Wait, look at that compared to mine. Look at that shit.
Oh, damn.
That's a whole shock in itself. Damn. I never even noticed. Well, alright, well, we're gonna listen to this audio system, and if we're all good to go, because I guess we got no choice but to load up and bounce, because we still gotta put gas and go help this guy install his seats. And then I'm gonna see if I can take off that grill, because se mira medio funky, huh? Just one grill and one nut.
Yeah.
El chingazo avisa. Alright, is the ramp off? I guess we could load it. I don't know about you, FIFA, but I gotta step on my game, because I thought mine looked cool when it's alone or next to Batman's. Other than that, mine ain't looking that cool, man. This guy's over here with the red seats. He has the red guts, the red powder coated everything. This guy's over here with the brown. Ale. Ale. Well, ya andamos loaded up. And she's about to go home. Although she has to come back because we got to get the light bar installed. And there was no time for that because we got a RUTA to go to. But she'll be back. She'll be back here. And hopefully we can get that light bar installed. Man, look at these guys. Cold or not cold? Still doing it. Way it sucks, huh? Like all this wash, then you know you're gonna go get it dirty anyway.
That one has the fucking armor on.
Damn, it's just to show up looking good. Cause the minute you step foot on the dirt, valió Winnie todo el pinche cleanliness. So, damn. I gotta admit though, if you pull up with a clean machine, that's all that really matters. Cause everybody knows that they're gonna get dirty anyways. But pulling up clean, that's like a status. Let me get this on video, wait, cause it never happens.
Aye, aye.
You're actually doing some. Nomás rinsing el güey era. The scrubbing and everything else, le valió Winnie.
It's a dirty.
I wonder if this one's going. He said yeah, pero this one looks pretty dope. Look, see how high these doors are? Hasta acá, so parece la pinche little net, like. But I'm pretty sure I can find someone to make me the nets. They might just be bigger, but you know. Oh, dang it! I knew what I forgot. Forgot my light bar. Damn it. All right, fellas. Well, we are now back home. And the Canam is off the trailer, and we're just right here chilling, waiting because I forgot my keys to the house and to the shop. But we're gonna get ready for this RUTA, and you guys will catch that video separately. So with that, we are out. Don't forget, smash that thumbs up, baby. All right, let's roll. Peace.